This is how you can create an entire YouTube video from start to finish using a set of AI tools and assistants. If you've already watched the previous videos I made some months ago, here is a newer update. You'll need to go through 4 major stages of production before you can get to the final YouTube video. Stage 1 is to get a video idea. Stage 2 is to write a video script or guide. Stage 3 is to make an AI voiceover. Stage 4 is to make the video or visuals. Making YouTube videos is a challenge, but the bigger issue is making the right YouTube videos. Making any type of YouTube video is not going to be easy, but it's a whole lot easier with these AI tools. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 AI tools that would help you make any type of YouTube videos. Using a few of these artificial intelligence tools, you can make your work easier and faster. Before you start making videos for your channel, you need to be clear about what niche you are planning to create videos for. For niche research on YouTube, the best available tool is Vid IQ. All you need is to create an account and connect your YouTube channel. Use the keywords research tool to test several keywords in your supposed niche to get an idea of the amount of search volume and competition around those keywords. Let's research drop servicing for instance. As you can see, this is the search volume and competition around this keyword. Its overall score is about 75%. High search volume and low competition keywords like these are very good places to start looking. Vid IQ would also show you some matching terms associated with your primary keywords. I can also test for some other keywords like YouTube automation, for instance. As you can see, here's a bunch of really useful insight into the keyword. As soon as you have a niche established, it's time to make some topics around the keywords in that niche. Before you start creating any video, you need to develop a topic, subject, or the general theme of the video. You must know exactly the idea or message you're trying to pass to your audience with the video. This process of brainstorming video ideas and drafting several topics is the most difficult part, but it's worth it. Your video ideas doesn't have to be perfect. You only need to know exactly what you want to create a video for, or what you want to achieve with that video. The first thing you're going to need for any YouTube video is a good title. Instead of coming up with video ideas on your own, you could use some of these AI-powered websites. One website you may find useful is Alsoasked.com. Alsoasked.com would help you develop video ideas very quickly. All you have to do is simply input the keywords, and this website would provide you a chart that shows the relationship between your keywords and the search queries people input into Google and some popular search forums on the internet. Let me search for the first keyword, YouTube automation. As you can see, here are some relevant queries or statements related to the primary search term. You also have YouTube, where you can do a lot of brainstorming and discovery on what works. Google is also available for research. After getting a good topic, the next thing you would want to do is to write out the script, a video script for your YouTube content. In this section, I'm going to show 3 artificial intelligence tools that could help you write a full video script for cheap. AI-generated contents are usually foundational. At least for now, they are never perfect and can never replace human intuition. All the AI tools I'm going to show in this section or in this video are all assistants and would never replace you as a content creator. The first one I have on a list is Ink for All. This website is like a text prediction tool. To create content, all you need is to provide the first paragraph, and then the AI would keep writing an unlimited number of sentences or paragraphs appending the first anchor paragraph. Once I sign into my dashboard, I'm going to head over to AI Longform Writer. The next thing I'm going to do is to plug in the first paragraph. I'll click on AI Write. This AI tool is going to guess what's likely to come next after the first paragraph. It can do a pretty good job of generating good and accurate sentences. Even though this app is not one of the best, it's free to use at least for the first 5,000 words or so. Most generated text won't be perfect, and you'll need to tweak a few words and sentences. However, it's much better than struggling with a blank screen and having to write headlines, sections, paragraphs, and other forms of copy from scratch. Writer.me is the next site on the list. It features a complete article creation tool. You can write a full article using a few text prompts. If you give this artificial intelligence a topic, it can produce a full-length article. Create an account or login if you already have one. The next thing to do is to click on Start Writing. Type in or copy and paste in the title you got from your keywords research. Select blog ideas and outline. The AI would produce a full blog idea and outline plus keywords for each section. The next thing to do is to use Writer to develop each of these sections until you get to the conclusion paragraph. This process is straightforward and wouldn't take you more than a few minutes to complete. Organize and proofread your article by making a few minor adjustments here and there. If you are satisfied with what you have, then you can move over to the next section, which is to convert the article to video. But if you're not satisfied with the article provided by Writer, then Writesonic could be of help. Writesonic allows you to generate human-like articles in a matter of seconds. There's a lot you can do with Writesonic. When you visit the site, look for the AI Writer 3.0. After filling out the necessary sections, click on Generate. You're going to be amazed at the outputs made by this AI tool. After writing a video script, the next thing is to produce a video based on the script. For the most part, you don't need a camera if you cannot afford a good one. But you definitely need an AI text-to-video maker that'll provide you with already made video templates. If you don't need a direct text-to-video generator, you can start by browsing the internet and looking for stock footage and then using a traditional video editor to put them together. Pictory.ai. To make a video from your script, this AI tool is the best tool for the job. When you sign up for an account, Pictory has 4 tools that you can start making content from. The article to video tool, a script to video tool, visual to video, and a tool to edit videos with voice using text. You're going to be needing the article or script to video tool. This script to video tool works well if you've got an already written script which you want to turn into a YouTube video. Create a new project and give it a title. Just copy and paste the script you've generated and edited. The AI would analyze the script and create a video which you can further edit. You can customize the text, change media, and even add a background music and voiceover. After you're done with your customization, click Generate to download the video. The second AI video generator is Steve AI. Steve AI lets you create videos and animation from text. You're going to use this AI tool to turn your scripts and articles into full YouTube videos. First, create an account and log into your dashboard. You can start with a script to life video or a blog to life video. Click the script to life video. Give the project a title and select presets by choosing the aspect ratio, category, and the type of video. Paste your script and click on Next. Choose a design style and the AI will generate a video for you based on what you've chosen. You may even add an AI-generated voiceover to the content with this tool. You can further edit the video content by making some changes before you finally click to render and publish. The third AI video generator is Designs AI. Designs AI is a robust AI video maker. To create a video with Designs AI, simply create a free account, click on Video Maker, and log into your dashboard, which will look like this. You can start your video creation from already made templates, or by using the script to video option, or even using already existing media on your computer to create a video on the Designs AI video editing platform from scratch. For this process, we're going to use the script to video option. I'm going to copy and paste the script. The next thing is to select a language and the voiceover from a list of available AI voices if you want to add an AI voiceover. But I'm only interested in the visuals, so I'm going to eliminate the AI voice later on. When you are all set and done, you will then be redirected to the video editor with a template of the videos prepared for you. This interface is similar to a traditional video editor if you've used one. It's beginner-friendly and anyone with basic computer knowledge can use the tools. This is where you are going to customize the video as much as possible before you get to publish and export it. You may need to have a voiceover in your video, but it's not compulsory for every YouTube video. There's a wide variety of AI text-to-speech converters available. For this section, I'm going to show 3 of my top choices for AI voiceover generators. The first studio is Murph AI. This is how a voiceover is produced using Murph AI Studios. Create a new project and select use case. Depending on your script, the first decision is to choose the right voice for your audio. The library includes over 110 voices. Once you've settled on the voice, paste your article text or script it into the text editor. The editor also is powered with an AI grammar assistant to check your spelling and grammar. Adding special effects to particular phrases or sentences is also easy. You can add emphasis, pauses, and edit pronunciations to specific parts of the sentence. Step 3 is to build the audio. Once you are done editing your script, you can simply go to the play button, which will render your voiceover within seconds. You can always go back and make more changes and render it again until you are completely satisfied with the audio. Another site for AI voiceover is naturalreaders.com. Natural Readers allows you to create voiceover from text. You are provided with so many options for voices and you can get a reasonably sounding voice on this site. I've used Natural Readers in most of the early videos on this channel. To create a voiceover, just log in and create a new project. Give your project a title, paste in your script, and choose a category for the type of AI text-to-speech you want to make. The next step is to select an AI voice avatar. You can look through and listen to the voices until you find one that's very good for your video. The audio would be rendered and you can listen to the audio. This demonstration was done on a free account. However, there's some limitations for the free version, but you can use it to create voiceover for your videos, at least for a start. The third AI voiceover creation software is Descript. I've made a video on how to use Descript. Descript has a free classic plan for users and can generate very good quality AI voices. The voice you're listening to right now was made with Descript AI. If you need some AI generated background music, you can go for Beethoven. However, you don't need to generate your own music if you're not going to use it for some special purposes, because there's a bunch of royalty-free music sites where you can get music to add to your videos. To create a music clip with Beethoven, all you need to do is create a new music project, choose composition, genre and tempo, select the suitable emotion and then wait for the AI to compose your track. You can listen to the track and adjust composition until you get what you want. As soon as you are satisfied with the generated music, you can click to download it for free. So that's all you'll need to make an AI-generated video content. All you need is just go and make some content right now. If you choose at least one AI tool from any of the sections discussed in this video, you can do a lot in less time. If you got value from this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.